Hello, Eastern Caribbean cruisers. It's Johanna with Holiday Planet with our next FAQ video getting us ready to cruise on our first responder cruise to the Eastern Caribbean, departing in about a month. How exciting! Today we're going to talk about the alcohol policy, meaning what can you carry on board with you, and how the beverage packages work. So first, when you're packing, you could think about bringing 2 bottles of wine with you. That is 2 per cabin. You cannot bring any hard liquor. Hi, Brent. You can bring non-alcoholic drinks like water and Pepsi products, for example, but the only alcohol you're allowed to bring is wine or sparkling wine. Hi, Rob. And really, because wine is included with your beverage package, I think it would only make sense to bring a wine that is special. Hi, Joe, something that's nicer than you'd get with your beverage package, especially if you're celebrating an anniversary or birthday maybe. A nice bottle of Moet might be a nice thing to bring and more affordable than what they would have on the ship. I believe that there is a corkage fee if you drink those in the main dining room, $15 last time I checked. But if you consume it in your stateroom, I'm pretty sure with Princess there is no corkage fee. You can put those 2 bottles of wine per stateroom in your checked luggage when you board the ship. But as far as bottled water, I don't think you need to bring any on board with you because bottled water is included with our beverage packages. Just about everyone in the group does have a beverage package, so let's talk about how those work. It does include all of your non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks throughout the cruise. Non-alcoholic is all your waters, sodas, coffees and teas, juices, mocktails, and specialty coffees, unlimited, at the barista down in the International Cafe, which is in the main atrium of the ship. And usually there's a barista up in the buffet, so don't forget about that. For your alcoholic drinks, you are permitted 15 alcoholic drinks per person per day. And if you're watching and you've ever met that 15 alcoholic drinks and maxed out your drink package, why don't you go ahead and comment? Because most people don't really believe me that this happens. They think, oh, I could never possibly drink that much. Hi, David. Hi, Connie. But the fact is that if you start drinking maybe a Bloody Mary or something in the morning, some beers by the pool in the afternoon, a couple glasses of wine with dinner, shots in the nightclub, you've never been drunk all day, but it does add up over the course of the day. So if you are still there close to midnight and your drink package is maxed out, you've had your 15 free alcoholic beverages for the day, the bartenders will let you know you're now ordering drinks that you're paying for. If your roommate has not maxed out their 15, you can just now start drinking on their 15 drinks. And that is usually, it seems like, how it goes. The guys tend to max out their packages, but the wives still have free drinks left, so they just start drinking on their wives' package. So the bartenders are usually pretty flexible about that and good at communicating with you when you've reached your max. If you are still good to be served, they will still keep serving you and you can buy yourself more drinks above the 15. If you are no longer good and they refuse to continue serving you, it's usually because you're drunk and so they won't serve you anymore. Otherwise they will. And in our group, no one ever really tends to get drunk. It's just that they're drinking so much over the course of the day that it adds up. So the dollar value of the drinks you can order depends on your package. If you have the Plus package, you can order drinks up to $15 value. And if you order a drink that's a higher dollar price than that, you just pay the difference. For example, there are some nicer wines by the glass available that may be $18, for example. Don't hesitate to order those because you're only going to pay the $3 difference. If you have the Premier package, you can order free drinks up to $20 value per drink. And again, if you order a higher dollar value drink, you just pay the difference. So let's talk about how to get a little more out of these packages so that you won't reach that 15 drink max so quickly. It is time for a game of cruise ship math, where 3 equals 1. We're going to talk about that. How could 3 equal 1? Well, aside from the Holy Trinity, only on Princess Cruises. When you're trying to get the most out of your beverage package, let's talk about how that works. So there's a drink called the 007. Just an example, and it is 2 shots of vodka and Sprite. 7-Up. I guess that's what it is. 7-Up with a double shot of vodka. If you order a double vodka tonic, they count it as 2 drinks. If you order a 007 with tonic instead of 7-Up, they charge you for 1 drink. A 007. See that? 2 equals 1. Here's another good one. The 3 Wise Men is a shot of Jim Beam, Johnny Walker, and Jack Daniels. Are those the 3 guys? Tell me if I'm right, you guys. If you ordered a triple shot of Jack Daniels, you would be charged for 3 drinks. A triple counts as 3 out of your 15. If you ordered the drink called the 3 Wise Men, it counts as 1 drink out of your 15. 3 equals 1. Amazing. And if you're ever not sure, just ask your bartender. Believe it or not, we've made friends with some bartenders over the years, and this is how we've found out about all of this. Another good one is the Crown Manhattan. If you order a double shot of Crown, it counts as 2 of your drinks. But if you order a Crown Manhattan, hold the everything, hold all those other ingredients that are usually in a Manhattan, you'll end up with a double shot of Crown that counts as 1 drink. Amazing. See that? Cruise ship math. Another good one is a Cadillac Margarita. I think that has about 3 different shots in it. Get creative, talk to the bartenders. They're happy to figure out how to get you the best for your buck on that beverage package, and some really fun, delicious drinks too that you just don't find on other cruise ships. I've never had any other cruise line make such a good 3 Wise Men. Another very popular one, if you like the blended frozen stuff, is the Dirty Banana. Nobody makes a dirty banana like Princess Cruises. Let me know what questions you have down in the comments below. I have answers, and I'll be back next week with another video getting us ready to cruise. Bye, everyone.